How to remove Easy Home Screen on Android in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can switch back to the normal layout quickly so your phone feels easier to use right away. First, unlock your phone and go to your settings. This is where most display and layout options are controlled. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find something labeled display or home screen depending on your device. Tap on it and look for an option that mentions home screen layout or easy mode. When you find easy home screen or easy mode, tap on it. You'll usually see a toggle or a choice between easy mode and standard mode. Select standard mode or turn off easy mode. This instantly switches your phone back to the regular layout with smaller icons and more control over your apps. After switching, go back to your home screen. You'll notice that the layout has changed and everything looks more compact. If your apps seem rearranged, don't worry, this is normal. You can press and hold any app icon to move it around or drag it to the bottom area to keep it easily accessible. If you don't see the option in settings, there's another way to check. Go to your home screen, then press and hold an empty space until a menu appears. Tap Home Settings or Settings and look again for Easy Mode. Some devices place the option here instead of the main settings menu. In case the Easy Home screen still doesn't turn off, you can also check your default Home app. Go back to Settings, then search for Default Apps or Home app. Make sure the standard launcher is selected instead of an easy or simplified version. Switching this will bring back the normal interface. Once everything is set, take a moment to organize your home screen the way you like. You can add widgets, group apps into your folders, and adjust your layout so it fits your daily use better. Removing Easy Home Screen gives you more control and a fuller view of your apps, which makes your phone easier to navigate once you get used to it. As long as you know where to find the setting, switching back only takes a few taps and makes a big difference in how your device feels.